I wonder whose this could be. At the 2024 spring meet for the Maricopa Live Steamers, we are taking a ride behind Stan Ferris's steam outline locomotive. He was kind enough to offer, and I wasn't going to say no, and you bet I won't say no to an offer like that. I might even visit his own backyard railroad. You can check out his YouTube channel, link in the description.
I always think about these tunnels as being a terrible place to derail. Bridges.
Up ahead was a red signal, so we had to stop for a bit, but he gave me an even better offer. Would you like to drive it? And oh boy, I said yes even more that time. So let's take a driver's eye view of his little outline. This week's video was a little bit short, but I'll make up for it in videos to come, featuring more spring meets at Orange County and Los Angeles. Stay tuned for that, so do subscribe. As Stan puts his engine onto one of the turntable leads, let's just say thank you, and you can show him even more thanks by subscribing to his channel. Links in the description. He does trains and a variety of other things besides his small train hobby. With that, thank you so much for watching. Keep it old school, Jesus loves you, and God bless you all.